According to the reports issued from the United Nations, lightning has become one of the top 10 serious natural disasters. There are countless accidents caused by lightning, hence it is urgent to provide effective lightning protection. According to Heinrich's law, among 300 hidden dangers, there will be 29 accidents and 1 serious accident. In the traditional lightning protection, most fire and outage are caused by abnormal SPD, with lack of necessary monitoring. It is very important to monitor SPD's working status on the real time and remove all hidden dangers. As far, people go to site to check SPD status, which could not guarantee the instantaneity and stability of SPD inspection. So we need to set up a lightning protection online monitoring system. Online monitoring will ensure effective monitoring of SPDs installed on a site, and it will also eliminate any human errors caused by inspection staffs. Lightning Protection Online Monitoring System, joint developed by Sinopec Safety Engineering Institute and Xiamen Taihang, has achieved knowability, testability and controllability of lightning protection system. This system is composed of 3 parts. First is smart lightning protection devices and accessories, consisting of a smart SPD, SPD external disconnector, lightning data logger, automatic recloser, lightning warning system and lifter. Second is the high-speed bidirectional communication channels from devices to terminal computers. Third is the sophisticated management platform, which can calculate, save, and manage data and monitor SPD status. When lightning is approaching, lightning warning system will give out alarm and make the lifter where the lightning rod runs. And lightning data logger will transmit lightning data to the system terminal. When lightning surge goes through distribution system, SPD external disconnector will not trip, and a smart SPD will record the current value, time and polarity of lightning surge. Smart SPD with microamps leakage sensor will detect leakage on the real time. Once leakage exceeds limit value, it will trigger an alarm, thus eliminating the causes of a fire. When more than 3 ampere current passes through SCB, it will trip quickly to avoid SPD fire. Automatic recloser can reclose tripped SCB and control switching in and switching off remotely. When lightning warning is cleared, lifter where the lightning rod will go down. Lightning Protection Online Monitoring System, joint developed by Sinopec Safety Engineering Institute and Xiamen Taihang, achieves the transformation from passive to active protection, from dispersed to system protection. It gives new idea and new direction to lightning protection.